Hello YouTubers, my name is Sunrise. We welcome you to my page. Um, I'll be taking you on how to create a Notion journal, right? So quickly before we proceed, I would like you to do something for me. You see the red button over there, the subscribe button. I would like you to hit the subscribe button. It helps the YouTube algorithm to share my videos and other people to see my videos also. All right, so before we proceed, I would like you to have a Notion application, or you get it on your desktop. Just quickly sign up on your Notion, and the first thing you guys do is go to this icon over here, right? Then you click on this hard page. All right, you click on this hard page, and then it will take you to this place over here. Now you can um use any title, depend on the one that suits you. I can then use maybe May. I can use May, maybe anyone that suits you. Right, so after then you take it to this table. All right, you take it to this table, and then it will take you to this page over here. All right, so what are you going to do next? All right, you add a new database. Okay, you add a new database. Now you click on this database, it will take you to this page. All right, to take you to this page. Now what are you going to do next? All right, first of all, you have to start editing. You start putting some headlines on the columns. All right, so first thing we have this column over here. Now we need to put some headlines like numbers of trade. We can use numbers of trade from this place. Alright, can use numbers of trade from here. Then I think that is it. Can use number of trade from here. We can, these are tags. The next, like let me say, you can use date, um or anyone that suits you, but I'll be using date. All right, I'll be using date, maybe date of trade. All right, I'll be using date of trade. All right, so this is what I will be using. You understand me, right? So this is what I'll be using, and then I'll put it like on the date. You get me, right? You see, after putting the headline there, I have to put it on the date. You get me, like the type, you put it on date or anyone, but you have to put it on date. All right, so you can be able to, like, this is 1st of May, then you can use date, end date, or including time, like that. I don't know if you get me. You can use the time, end date, just like that. All right, so you can just save it. Everything will save here. All right, so then as we go forward, we have other columns. So we use maybe you can say pair. All right, you can say pair. You can say pair. All right, sorry, first of all, choose the type. Let's use this select. All right, let's use this select. Let's use this select, and we will now edit it to pairs. Pairs. All right, so this is what we'll be doing. We can just say Euro USD, Euro USD, create GBP USD. You see the colors, they are changing. We can just say Euro NZD, alright, and so on and so forth. So if I have to put Euro USD, that is the color that will appear. This is the color that will appear because it has saved already. Alright, so let's move forward now. Now what is the next thing we can use? Let's say trading section. All right, let's use trading section for the next one. Okay, now we use trading session. Let's put it on select also. Trading session. Alright, we use section for this one. You can see London, create. You can see New York. Alright, you can say New York, create, just like that. Asian, just like that, and the rest. Okay, so like I said earlier, please, I would like you to do well to subscribe on the YouTube channel. This is my first video so far, so I will appreciate you on encouraging me so I can do more better next time. All right, so I would like you to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that when next time I drop a video, you're going to see it. All right, so I'll be dropping more educational videos on this channel, so you don't have to miss. All right, so next we go to what are we going for now? Let me see. Okay, let's use let's use um okay, let's use gain in percent. Gain in percent, like how much did you make? How much did you make in the trade? All right, I don't know if you get me. How much did you make in the trade? All right, so let's go for that. Now, what are we going to do? Let's use numbers. All right, I don't know. Are we supposed to use number? Like this one is kind of confusing. Sorry, but let's see. Okay, we use numbers. Let's say gain in percent. Sorry, in percent or in dollars. All right, you can still use a euro, anyone that suits you. All right, so that is it. Look at this numbers format here. You see this number format here. Let's see. You see US dollar, you see euro, you see pounds, yen, rupee, anyone you want to use, you can use them. You see US dollar. I'll be using US dollar, right? I'll be using US dollar. Which one is this? I haven't used. Okay. Okay, let's try this. I haven't used in percent though. I haven't used in percent. Let me see. $100. Okay, let me see 1%. Sorry, I don't know. Sorry. Let's use let's check on. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God. Sorry, it's kind of taking time. Alright. Kind of taking time. We'll get out of it a little bit. Get out of it a little bit. I just want to take it back to okay, yeah. Alright. US dollar. Okay, so it's already on sum. You can put it here, sum. All right, you put it on sum. Then let me say you make $5,000. It will then, all right. Okay, all right, $50,000. It's already on this place. Maybe you lost minus $4,000. It's everything going to be calculated there. All right, so you have nothing to worry about at this place. Just you put in your profit and the loss over there. All right, so let's move on to the next phrase. All right, let's move on to the next phase. We have let me say confirmation. Yeah, confirmation. What are the things you saw before taking the trade, like a co-influence? What are those things you saw before taking those trade? All right. Now we go for let me see file no, let's use let's use let's use let's use URL. Okay, let's use this one. Then we use confirmation. All right, use confirmation. Use confirmation on this one. These are when you get into a trade, you just go click the link and then paste it here. All right, we just paste it here. Now the next one should be screenshot of that, like when the trade hits your stop loss or when the trade hit your TP or break even. Maybe when you are out of the trade. All right, that is when that is the one you use for screenshot. Screenshot out. Okay, we're going to use screenshot out. All right, so these are what we'll be using for it. So when you get into a trade, you just copy. You can still add more. Maybe TP or break even. You can put it here. TP. Oh, sorry. Break even. Or Excel. Anyone that suits you. You can add more. All right. You can add more. Depend on the ones you like. Okay. So these are some of the few ways you can set up your Notion journal. All right. So far, let me show you example. Sorry. You see, copy link. You just copy the link and then you can paste it. All right. You just paste it. Paste. Okay. Then it's just everything works. Okay. Then just everything works. All right. So this is a way to set up a Notion journal. All right, thank you very much for staying tuned for me. I really appreciate. Please don't leave me behind. Click on those subscribe button. You can click on the bell button, and you can also like the video. It helps the YouTube algorithm. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoy this video. All right, thank you very much.